Hey, have you been looking for top quality traffic sources to build and grow your business online? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to let you know a couple different traffic sources that you can use. And the last one that I'm going to share with you, it's a very high quality traffic source that will be able to get you a lot of results, and you'll be able to get feedback on your campaign so you know what you're doing right, and you'll be able to maximize your results with solo ads. So let's get into it with this campaign right here. Traffic Zest is basically a platform that has very high quality traffic providers on here. Now they specify in solo ads, but you also get a mix of different traffic, so you can do a different kind of campaign in here. So there's different kinds of campaigns that you could start up, and you could pick the kind of campaign you want. So basically you have to specify it right here, and here's the kind of traffic that you would get. Here's the different providers. Here's the countries you want. It's very specific as far as what you would want. So you just do that and fill this out, and then you name it, and it's pretty simple to do, right? It's pretty simple to do. But the thing about it is, when you're using this, you want to be able to test. So you don't want to throw a bunch of money at it without knowing which sources are working good for you. So, basically you have to pick all this, information right here in this part right here, and then the kind of traffic that you want, and which you want it to come from. You pick that all right here. So here's the kind of traffic that you would get, and basically down here you can pick what you want. This is cost per click, right? So you pick all this stuff, and then you have your campaign and it's ready to go. So that's how you do when you create a campaign with here. So if you want to create an account and you don't have an account with Traffic Zest, there's going to be a link below this video that you can actually create a free account. It's free to create an account, and you can do that, and you can run with it, and you can test out traffic providers. But if you want very high quality traffic, here's a traffic source that you can use. It's ProfitBuildersTraffic.com. Now, why should you use this traffic source right here? You should use it because I'm the one who created it, and my goal is to make sure that people get high quality traffic to the offers that they're promoting, that they have a capture page and sales copy that are congruent to the offer, that they get high quality traffic to their list, and be able to build with high quality traffic sources. So when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So it comes from a mix of different sources, and what makes me different from every other place that you will get traffic from is you won't just give me your link and I'll just run traffic to it and say, okay, we'll just run traffic to this and see how it turns out, right? So normally when people run solo ad traffic, it's like they're doing guessing, right? So they're guessing if their campaign's going to convert. They don't know stats. They don't know anything about it. They're just like, let me test this out with 100 clicks of traffic, or 200 clicks of traffic, or 300 clicks of traffic, and see how it works, right? So one thing you got to keep in mind is if you're going to buy traffic, two things have to happen. You have to get enough traffic to get through your funnel. So if you're testing solo ads out and you're testing a page out to see if it converts, 100 clicks of traffic isn't going to do much for you, right? So think about if you get a 50% opt-in rate on your page, that means 50% of the people actually go through, put their name and their email in, and land on your sales page or your bridge page to your sales page. Let's say half of those people land on there. that's only 50 people on your list. So you want to make sure you get enough people into your funnel to actually see good results, to know stats, right? Because your stats are going to be very important. So you have to get enough traffic, and you have to make sure that the page actually converts. Because if you're losing a lot of your traffic, if you're only getting a 20 or 30% opt-in rate, which a lot of people say, oh, that's fine, it's 20, 30%, you're losing a lot of your traffic, right? So you don't want to lose a lot of your traffic. So my goal is to help you to set up your funnels and your offers. I help you to get the highest converting pages possible that you could possibly get, up to 85% opt-in rate. That's the highest in the solo ad space. And I help you to actually understand how to track your leads and conversion rate, because that's very important to know those stats and not just run traffic blindly to a funnel, right? So you want to know your stats, you want to know how to do it the right way, and you want to know how to actually manage your list. So when you actually order traffic from me, you can set up a strategy call. And on the strategy call, I go through your funnel, I give you feedback on your funnel, and I show you how to manage your list the right way, how to make sure that your emails are landing in the inbox. Because if you're getting a bunch of traffic and people are clicking the spam button on your emails, then your emails are going to spam, which means after time it could hurt your domain reputation, which means your emails will land in spam if you're sending to your entire list. I never suggest everybody send to their entire list, which a lot of people do, or a lot of people create multiple different lists and they don't know which list they should send what to. And I want to help you to make it simple, right? So when you're doing any kind of marketing, you want to keep it simple. Simplicity will actually get you results. So I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who want what you have to offer, and they actually have an interest. So how this actually works is, step one, you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier one and 100% tier one. Pick the one that works best for you. Step two is we do a campaign review after that, and I give you feedback. I also help you to make sure your emails are landing in the inbox. So I'd highly suggest booking the strategy call with this order. It's highly worth it. It's actually probably worth more than the order itself, because the stuff that I will tell you is $2,000 plus worth of value that I've paid to learn what I learned, right? So just knowing the stuff that I tell you on the call is going to help you to increase your conversions with paid traffic and then any other kind of marketing that you're doing, right? Because marketing is very important, and knowing how to do it the right way, that's going to actually help you to get results. So the campaign will start within 3 days if you don't book the call, but I highly suggest you do. I can never tell anybody what to do. You can do what works best for you, but I would definitely do it. It's definitely worth it, and it's going to give you some feedback and help and support that you don't get with anybody else, right? So here's some of the testimonials that I've got for people. Here's 200 clicks of traffic, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here, so take a look at this for yourself as well. Here's the 90% tier 1 traffic. Here's 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have questions, chances are that they're going to be down here. Here's my guarantee to you. My guarantee to you is I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer, right? And so I actually help you to make sure you manage your list and your offer the right way, so that way you get results. So if you have any questions, you can put your questions down here and I will respond. You can also leave your comments below this video and I will get back to everybody who leaves a comment below this video as well. Also, there's going to be a link to this traffic store below this video, so all you got to do is click on the link below, and I have some other traffic sources below this video as well. If you just want to go and you want to buy traffic and you don't want any feedback, you don't want any support, that's fine. I'm not in this business to try to convince you that my traffic is going to get you the best results. I'm not trying to convince you to work with me. If you find value with the things that I tell you in this video, or you find value with me, you know me personally, then you know that I go above and beyond for everybody who buys from me. My customers are a top priority to me, and I'm not trying to force anybody to do anything that they don't want to do, right? I want them to be comfortable. I want them to get results. I want everybody to have success. And with that being said, you can also get into my free Facebook group. There's going to be a link below this video as well, where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos that I upload, because you want to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. All right, and I appreciate you watching. And bye for now.